Hello everyone, welcome to Genius channel. We will see some previous year questions. So these are the questions from NDA 1 2019. We are going to do some questions from this. Okay. So see the question number 29. Question number 29. Question number 29. Consider the following for the next two items. Consider the following for the next two items. That means you have to write the next two questions from this given item. From this equation, a complex number is given by z is equal to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I whole square. Okay, you have to find what is the modulus of z. So that is one question, and you have to find principal argument of z. And for each question, they have given the options too. So the complex number given here is z is equal to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I the whole square. Okay, so please do this. I want all of you to answer this. And once you get the answer, just comment your answers too. Okay. Please try this, all of you. So let's see how to do this. So whenever you get a question from complex number to find argument or modulus, you have to first convert that into the normal complex number format. Okay, then only you will be able to find out the modulus and argument. Okay, so let's go for converting this into the normal form. Like, what is the normal format of complex number? The format of complex number is a plus ib, isn't it? So here they have given z is equal to z is equal to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I the whole square. So I am going to apply a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so I'll get 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus, this will become 1 minus 2i plus I square. So plus I square means I square is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will go, it will become 1 plus 2i by 1 minus 1 will go. You will get it as 1 plus 2i. 1 plus 2i by 1 plus 2i. So you will get the answer as 1. That means z is equal to 1. You will get z is equal to 1. So z is equal to 1 means 1 plus 0i, isn't it? So this is the required complex number. Okay, now we have to find the modulus, isn't it? So modulus is nothing but, just write the formula. If you don't know, modulus of z is root of a square plus b square. Modulus of z is root of a square plus b square. See, if a complex number is a plus ib, then its modulus is root of a square plus b square. So here, when you do root of a square plus b square, you will come to answer as 1. So that means root of 1 square plus 0 square, that is obviously 1. So modulus of z is 1. Option C is the correct answer. Next is, so please copy down this. After that, we'll go to the 30th question. That is also continuation of this question. You have to, what is the principal argument of z? 30th question. Please do that also. What is the principal argument of z? principal argument of z. Principal argument of z. Options are 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, pi. So, what is the formula for principal argument? If a complex number is of the form a plus ib, theta or principal argument of z is equal to tan inverse imaginary part of z divided by real part of z. Imaginary part of z divided by real part of z. Okay. Tan inverse imaginary part of z by real part of z. Okay. So, imaginary part of z by real part of z. So, what is imaginary part of z? Imaginary part of, so we got already z as 1 plus 0i, isn't it? So, that is tan inverse 0 by 0 is the real imaginary part, 1 is the real part. So, tan inverse 0. So, that is 0. So, that means tan inverse 0, whose tan is 0, 0 degree, isn't it? So, argument of z is 0, option A. Argument of z is 0, option A. Okay. So, having done this, we'll go to the next question. See the question number 26. Question number 26. What is the least value of 25 cosec square x plus 36 sec square x? What is the least value of 25 cosec square x plus 36 sec square x? Please try. Okay. So let's see how to solve this. Have you got the answer? Have you got answer as 121? If you get the answer, just comment it. So see how I am going to do this. 25 cosec square x plus 36 sec square x. This 25 cosec square x I can write as 1 plus 4 square x, isn't it? Plus 36 sec square x I can write as 1 plus tan square x. So that is 25 plus 36 plus 25 cot square x plus 36 tan square x, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Now, can I write this as 25 plus 36? It is 61 plus, I'm going to write this as 5 cot x the whole square plus 6 tan x the whole square. Okay. Then I'm adding a 2 into 5 cot x into 6 tan x and subtracting 2 into 5 cot x 6 tan x. That means adding and subtracting the same things. For what I'm doing that is because this will become a plus b the whole square. So I'm just changing this as a minus b. So I'm making minus here and keeping plus, subtracting and adding. Okay. So I'll get a minus b the whole square, isn't it? So I can write this as 61 plus a minus b the whole square. That is 5 cot x minus 6 tan x the whole square. Plus I have 2 cot x into 2 cot x into tan x. So 2 into 5 into cot x and tan x I can write it as 1 by cot x, isn't it? So cot x and cot x will go. I'll get 61 plus 5 cot x minus 6 tan x the whole square plus 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 6, 60, isn't it? 60. So what is the question? Question is I need the least value of this function. Least value of the function means this should be 0. Least value of function means this value should be 0. 0 square, that will be 0. Okay. So least value is possible when this part becomes 0. So it is 61 plus 0 plus 60. The answer is 121. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. So let's go to the next question. So let's do a question from AP. Let's do a question from AP. That is the 24th question. You have to see the 24th question now. 24th question. Sum of the p plus q and p minus q terms of an AP is equal to 2p the term, 2q term, twice the p the term, twice the q the term. Sum of the p plus q and p minus q the terms of an AP. So please try, all of you. Please try and comment your answers. Okay, have got the answer? How to do? Very easy question. Direct, simple question. See, you have to get the sum of the p plus q the term and p minus q the term. So I'm going to write p plus q the term. I'm going to do the p plus q term. Okay. So what is the general formula of nth term? Nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a p plus q the term? A p plus q the term means that will be a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. Then a p minus q the term. What is p minus q the term? A plus p minus q minus 1 into d. See, sum of p plus q the term and p minus q the term. So p plus q the term means a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. P minus q the term means a plus p minus q minus 1 into d. Now what I need the sum. Sum of this. Sum of this one I need, isn't it? Sum of p plus q the term and p minus q the term. So sum is equal to 2a plus, this 2a plus, open these brackets, you will get PD plus PD. So 2PD will be there. 2PD, isn't it? PD will be there 2 times. PD, PD. So 2PD plus QD minus QD. QD and minus QD will go. So 0. Then minus D minus D. That is minus 2D. Okay. So I have 2A plus 2PD minus 2D. Okay. So if I write this, so now I am having sum is equal to 2a plus remaining I am writing here 2pd minus 2d. So I am taking 2 common. 2 common means I'll get a plus 2p, sorry, a plus pd minus d. So that I can write as 2 into a plus p minus 1 into d. If I take d out common from this. So what is this? A plus p minus 1 into d. That means that is an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So that will be ap. Pth term, isn't it? Pth term. So answer is sum is equal to 2ap. 2ap means 2 twice the pth term. Twice the pth term. Option C. Twice the pth term. Okay. Copy down. Okay. Now go to next question. So we'll do the question number 27. Consider the following for the next 2 items. Let A and B be 3 by 3 matrices with determinant A is equal to 4, determinant B is equal to 3. So remaining, there are 2 questions. We have to do 2 questions from this. What is determinant 2AB? What is determinant 3AB inverse? Okay. So please try that, all of you. Try, and once you get the answer, just comment it. So direct question. Okay, I'll give you the formula what to use. What is determinant of KAB equal to determinant of KAB is equal to K raised to N determinant of A into determinant of B, where N is the order of the matrix, Determinant KAB, where K is a constant, is K raised to N determinant of A into determinant of B. K N means that is the order of the matrix. Okay, now try. So I have given the basic equation that we have to use here. Now just give me the answer. So if you don't know this, by heart this. Okay, copy down this, by heart this, very useful. Very often from this chapter, they are asking questions based on this concept. Okay, so here what we need? Here we need determinant of 2ab. So that is nothing but in the place of k we have 2. In the place of n we have 3 because they are given this as a 3 by 3 matrix. So it is 3. So 2 raised to 3. Then into determinant of a. What is determinant of a? It is given as 4. Determinant of b, it is given as 3. So it is 8 into 12. So the answer is 96. Option A, 96. So for the 28th question, determinant of 3AB inverse, AB inverse. So same formula you can apply here. Same formula you can apply here. By that 28th question. Okay. So determinant of 3AB inverse is, can you write? It is 3 into 3 raised to 3 because k raised to n. K is 3, order is also 3 into determinant of A into determinant of B inverse. So that can be written as 3 raised to 3 into determinant of A is 4. Determinant of B inverse means 1 by determinant of B. Isn't it? Determinant of B inverse means 1 by determinant of B. So that is nothing but remaining. I am writing here. Just see 3 raised to 3 into 4 into 1 by determinant of B is 3. So it is go. So here we have 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2, that is 9 into 4, that is 36. Option C. Option C. Very easy question, direct question. So what is the takeaway from this question? One is this formula. Determinant of KAB is k raised to n. Determinant of A into determinant of B. Next is, what is this one? Next concept is determinant of B inverse is 1 by determinant of B. That is another formula or another takeaway from this question. Determinant of B inverse is 1 by determinant of B. Now go to the 23rd question. 23rd question. Question number 23. You can answer that within seconds. Just read and give me the answer. Comment the answer. The numbers 1, 5, 25 can be 3 terms, not necessarily consecutive of only one AP, more than one, but finite number of APs, infinite number of APs, finite number of GPs. This question. Tell me the answer. Comment it. You see, no? What is the answer? 1, 5, 25. So 1 we have, then 1 into 5 we have, then this 5 into 5 we have. So what we have here, we have common ratios in it, multiplied by 5 only. It is getting multiplied by 5. So we have common ratio. If we have a common ratio, what is that? It is a geometric progression, GP. It is a geometric progression. So answer is option D, finite number of GPs. Geometric progression. Very easy question. Let's go to another question. What is the value of 31st question? You have to see the 31st question now. What is the value of sine 34 cos 236 sine 56 sine 124 divided by cos 28 cos 88 plus cos 178 sine 208. Go through the question. I need all of you to answer. Once you get the answer, just comment it. The question from trigonometry is, you think what we can do here. Just read carefully the numbers. Think what we can do with respect to those numbers. Okay, only the length matters, but the question is simple. See, what you have to think here, you have to check whether I can make all the angles same. So here I have 236, I have 124, I have 178, 208 and all. Okay. So you have to think whether I can make this into the or smaller angles that is given in the question. So what I am doing here is sine 34 I am keeping as such. Cos 236 I am writing as 236. I can write it as what? 236 can be written as 180 plus 56, isn't it? Minus sine 56 I am keeping as such. I am talking about the numerator. Okay. Then sine 124 I can write it as sine 90 plus 34, isn't it? Divided by cos 28, cos 88. I'm keeping that as such. Plus cos 178. 178 I'm going to write as 90 plus 88. Sine 208 I can write it as 208 in any of these angles possible. Yes, 90 plus 28. Oh, that is supposed 180 plus 28, sorry. That is 180 plus 28. 180 plus 28. Isn't it? So what I did here is I'm just modifying the angles. So 34 I'm 34 and 56 I'm keeping as such, modifying 236 and 124. Here I am keeping 28 and 88 as such. I am modifying 178 and 208. What is the possibility now? Sine 34, let it be like that. Cos 180 plus 56. So 180 is coming here. 180 plus means this quadrant. In this quadrant, what happens? Cos is negative, isn't it? Cos is negative in this quadrant. So I'll get it as minus cos 56. Then minus sine 56 is here. Then sine 90 plus 34. 90 plus 34 means this quadrant. 90 plus 34 this quadrant. In this quadrant, sine is positive. So it will become sine 34 divided by. Here cos 28 will be as such. Cos 88 will be as such. Now cos 90 plus 88. 90 plus means which quadrant? Second quadrant, isn't it? 90 plus means it is second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, Cos is negative. So it is minus cos 88 into sine 180 plus 28. 180 plus 28 means third quadrant. The third quadrant sine is negative. So minus sine 28. Okay. So having found the angles and ratios, I'm just going to modify what I have. I have now minus sine 34 minus sine 34 cos 56 minus sine 56 sine 34. So the 90 plus means this will become cos 34, isn't it? 90 plus means cos will come now. So here also see 90 plus means cos will become sine, sine will become cos. So here 90 plus 34 means that will become cos 34. Here 90 plus 88 means cos will become sine 88. So it is, so what I'm getting? Minus sine 34 cos 56 minus sine 56 cos 34 divided by cos 28 cos 88 minus sine 88. This minus and minus will go, so it is plus sine 88 sine 28. Isn't it? Are you following? So if I take a minus outside from the numerator minus, this will become sine 34 cos 56 plus sine 56 cos 34. So that I can write as sine 34 plus 56 divided by here cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. What is that? Cos A minus B. So cos 88 minus 28. See, this is sine A cos B plus cos A sin B if I take minus outside. So that is sin A plus B. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is cos A minus B. So that is minus sin 90 divided by cos 60. Minus sin 90 divided by cos 60. So minus sin 90 is 1. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So the answer is negative 2. Answer is negative 2. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, so let's see in the next class. Thank you everyone.